Have you been wondering how to use the LinkedIn featured section and what exactly are you supposed to add there? If so, you are in the right place, as today I'm going to be spilling all the beans about the LinkedIn featured section. I'm Vendy and I'm all about helping coaches and course creators attract the highest quality inbound leads on LinkedIn. If you want clients to be chasing after you, be sure you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so that you could become the next LinkedIn superstar. Alright, so let's get into it. Question number 1. What is the purpose of the featured section? Now, this might seem like an odd thing to ask. However, if you haven't used the featured section before, it might seem a little foreign to you because other social media platforms don't really have something like that. If you have seen my content before, I'm sure you have heard me say that if you are on LinkedIn to get leads, you really need to treat your profile as your sales page rather than your resume. Your LinkedIn profile is the storefront for your business, and every single section on your profile should be used to communicate who you serve and what value you bring to your ideal clients. Your featured section is no exception here, and you want to use it strategically to connect with your future customers. Question number 2. Where can you find the featured section on your profile? The answer to this question is actually twofold. If you have enabled the creator mode on your profile, you will see that the featured section is located at the very top of it. On the other hand, if you haven't activated the creator mode, you will find your featured section below the about section, so much more further down your profile. If you're not familiar with the creator mode, be sure to check out this video next where I explain how it can help you get more clients. If you currently do not see the featured section on your profile, that is super easy to fix. All you have to do is open up your LinkedIn profile, click Add Section, and then over here you will see the option to select and add the featured section to your profile. You don't see it among my selections because I have already added the featured section to my profile. Question number 3. What should you add to your featured section? Once you have enabled the featured section on your profile, you will see that you have so many different options of what you can display here. You can add posts, articles, external links, and even upload media. And here are the 3 things that I recommend every business owner adding to their featured section. Number 1, testimonials. Now, there is nothing more powerful than displaying your social proof and showing your potential clients all the wonderful results you have achieved for other people in the past. I honestly think that you can never have too many testimonials, and as you can see on my profile, I have so many available there for anyone who wants to take a look at them. Remember, your profile is your sales page, and every great sales page has dozens of testimonials available. The second thing I recommend you adding is lead magnets and YouTube videos. Now, if growing your email list is important for you, you should absolutely add a link to your webinar, workshop, checklist, or ebook. Because again, this is a great way to get many people through your freebie and grow the email list that you are building. I also love linking to my YouTube videos here because there is nothing more powerful than your ideal clients being able to see you on camera and connecting with you on a much deeper level. The third thing I recommend you adding to your featured section is your LinkedIn posts. Content creation is how you build your credibility on LinkedIn. And if you want to be seen as the go-to expert in your niche, you really need to start providing value to your ideal clients. So whether it is text, video, or carousels, it is time you start serving your community by creating content. If you haven't started creating content on LinkedIn yet, or you're not getting much engagement, be sure to message me on LinkedIn and ask me about the LinkedIn Bootcamp. There you have it. Those are my suggestions of what you should add to your featured section. Now, if you're just getting started on LinkedIn, I appreciate that things might seem a little daunting at first. And because of that, I have created a quick start guide to LinkedIn that you can download below this video that's going to help you get set up on LinkedIn ASAP. Be sure you check out this video next on how to write a powerful LinkedIn headline, as that's the best way to attract more inbound leads your way. I would also appreciate if you could give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, as it truly helps me to grow on YouTube. Thank you again for being here, and I will see you in the next episode.